If you want to explode on YouTube Shorts, I'm going to give you 6 useful and unique YouTube Shorts ideas that you can use right now. And yes, these ideas will definitely get you more views and blow up your channel. Number 1, storytelling videos. This is something I'm really heavy on because audiences, I think, are exhausted of the flashy edits, the transitions, the sound effects, the visual effects, and they want something more real and raw. I even made an entire video about this, talking about where we're headed in 2024. Like I said, storytelling videos are something that are real and raw, and they're minimally edited. These videos allow people, or your audience, to feel like they're on a journey with you. They get to feel like they're living life with you. Even these creators here, they're blowing up, specifically with their Instagram Reels and TikTok videos, but these videos work for Shorts because this is something that people want to see. This is something that people want to feel and be a part of. They're providing their audience with a new level of connection because these videos allow people to relate to them. It's almost like YouTube from 6 to 8 years ago is making a comeback, not just in long form content, but in short form. Some examples you can use are showing a day in the life video, or maybe you're in the music industry and you want to show people how you make a song from start to finish. Or maybe you're in the fitness space and you want to take people through your entire workout. If you're a streamer, you could show people setting up your stream or the behind the scenes with it and showing them what you do outside of streaming. Regardless, give people a reason to connect with you. Number 2, microcontent / clips. These are extremely important, specifically right here on YouTube. Cutting clips from your long form content, video podcasts are a genius strategy you need to take advantage of. Because the best thing about YouTube and with creating shorts is you can link out a long form video or a suggested video or related video for the audience to watch. Here's some quick tips to follow with your micro content and clips. They have to be golden nuggets. The clip should tell a story. The clip should allow the audience to gain something from it without needing to watch the full video. And finally, they need to create hyper interest, meaning they need to encourage the audience to want to watch more of the content from that video because they just can't get enough. And the beauty with this, it doesn't require any extra work because you already have the content there. You just gotta find it. Number 3, reaction clips. Reaction clips have become increasingly popular. Reaction videos are clips pulled from other content and you react to them in your video by either waiting for the video to play and you give your reaction, or as the clip is playing, you provide commentary as the video goes through. And you can do this one of 2 ways. The first is you can just film yourself like how I'm doing and react to a clip on your phone and then embed it in post-production or in your editing software as the video plays. Or number 2, use the green screen effect. You can use it right on Shorts and have the video play in the background of you and give your reaction to it live. Which leads us right into number 4, green screen videos. These videos are super simple to make because like I said, you can make it right here on Shorts and all you do is simply remove the background behind you and replace it with a video or an image. You can react to an article, a video, a post, or anything within your niche or industry, and you can either agree or disagree with it. And the beauty with these are phenomenal for creating engagement and conversations. Number 5, skits. Skits are such a unique way to create a message because it requires a lot of creative effort, but it keeps the audience engaged throughout the whole video. Skits are super relatable and they focus on everyday situations, social scenarios, and characters that the audience can resonate with. Skits are some of the most shareable content because if the audience resonates with the message, they will want to share that with other people so they can hear it too. With skits, you can use 2 strategies to increase your retention on your videos. First, you can add drama. This is a great way to keep people hooked and engaged because they don't know what's coming next and there might be different plot twists. Second, you can use humor. Everyone loves to laugh and be entertained. Use this to your advantage to keep people watching the entire way. Skits are also a great strategy because you can build what's called character development. This allows people to get connected with these characters in your videos and they almost look forward to your next content because they feel like they know these people. Highly recommend trying skits out for your next short. Number 6, talking head video just like this. You could set up your phone or your camera on a tripod and use a shotgun mic to record the audio or a wireless microphone on your shirt. These are arguably the simplest style of video for you to create because they're super easy to set up and it requires little to no effort at all. The best thing about talking head videos is you can do what we're doing right here, where I'm talking directly to you in the lens, I'm not looking anywhere else, and I'm not distracted. This allows people to trust you more because they can see you and they can hear you and they immediately feel more connected with you. These can be used for a wide variety of content to help educate your audience and allow people to connect and resonate with you more. Give these 6 styles a try and let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, and if there's anything that I missed or anything that you would add to the list. And if you enjoyed this video, you're gonna love this one right here where I share with you 5 powerful YouTube Shorts hacks for 2024. I'll see you there.